Hey, thanks for joining me on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, or BWC. Today we're going to show you how to use this little grill here. It's kind of like the George Foreman grill, but it's made by Hamilton Beach. It's called the Easy Meal Express. Yeah, you can see it has two grills. One cooks from both sides here. There's a timer on it. If you're cooking meat, there's a drawer over here to get your grease out of. Okay. Now what you want to do when you start this thing, turn on your timer for 5 minutes. That is a preheat. Then you will cook your meat or whatever according to the time it takes for whatever it is you want to cook. So today we're going to cook me a grilled cheese sandwich. So, okay, what do you say we get started? Alright, we're letting it warm up now. It's almost ready. We'll be ready to cook. That preheats it. Alright, it's ready. What we're going to do is take some of this non-stick stuff, spray it right there, because remember it heats on both sides. Then what we're going to do is take our first bread, set it on right there, set our cheese on top of that, our second bread on top of that, close it, go to 4 minutes, right there, and let it go. We'll check it and make sure it's done, and we're cooking. Now there's a lot of good recipes in the instruction manual that you can download. I'll have the link to it on the description. So there's a lot of good things in there, different kinds of meats and vegetables and sandwiches. And by the way, this is in there, but they talk about ham. I didn't have any ham, so just making me a grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. So if you get one of these, or if you find one, leave me a comment, let me know how you did. There's a lot of good recipes in there. See how she's doing here. Yeah. It's a cooking. I'm going to check it at 4 minutes. There is a chart that shows you how long to cook what it is you're cooking. The meats, how you want it cooked, you cook it for so many minutes. And it'll tell you how to cook everything. So I'll have that up on here in just a minute too. You'll see that. In the meantime, we got about a minute and a half or so left. I wonder how it's doing. Yeah, it says go till it's toasty on the bread and the cheese is melted, so we'll keep an eye on it. I always like to look and see how it's doing. We use this a lot around here. Cook our meals and things on it because it's quick and easy. Cleans up real easy. I'll show you how to clean it here in a few minutes. Both of those trays can be put in a dishwasher if you want to do that, but we use it so often that I just go in the sink and a little soap and water and wash it off. There's the timer. Hear it? It's looking pretty good. Let's see how it is. You know, I think I'm going to go another minute. Right about there. Just let it cook a little bit longer. Yeah, it's just about there, I think. Yeah, I think we're done. Let's see how we are here. There it is. Looks pretty good, don't it? Leave the lid open, let it cool, then we can wash it off. There you see the button you push. Release that button right there and it will let you take the trays out. You can take them over and wash them. Okay, let's take them off and clean them. Push the button I showed you up there. That takes the top one off right there. Put it over here in the sink. There's a button right down here on the bottom too. We'll take the bottom one out like that. Alright, I got the water running so it'll get warm. Get our brush here and pour a little soap on our thing here. Right there like that. Pull the water over here and get it wet. Now what we're going to do is just scrub it down. Pretty easy to do. You can put this in the dishwasher if you'd rather. But I use it a lot, so I may use it again here in a few minutes. So you're just going to scrub it down like that. See how that's where your grease drains out. And the water in it. And it's clean. We'll set it aside now and let it be cooling. Let it be drying. We'll clean the other one. Do the same thing. We're going to pour a little salt on it. Like so. Get it wet. Scrub it down like so. Wash it out. And there it is. It's clean. We're going to set it aside now and just let it dry and we'll be ready to cook again. We're going to put them back in now. See there's a little tab on the back side there? That tab slips right in there and your button goes back. Top one has the same way. There's a tab right here. Slip the tabs in right there. There you are. Close the lid. You're ready to cook again. Okay, we have it cooked, ready to eat. I'm ready for my lunch. See how this is. That's good. Hot. Cheese got melted. Let us know how you do if you get one of these. Sorry, mouth's still full. They work real good. We use it an awful lot around here, so we will see you next time. Hope you enjoy it.